This is one of the most affordable displays for Arduino. It's an OLED display, and that means it doesn't have a backlight, and the image quality is just phenomenal. The resolution is only 128 by 64 and it's only monochrome, so it's only black and white, but still the image quality, it just looks really good. And I would definitely say that this is the best bang for your buck display for Arduino at the moment. So yeah, you probably noticed that this isn't a conventional tutorial video on how to use the OLED displays, but like I just wanted to say that like these things exist and you should really like try it out, because these are like really inexpensive and it looks really good and it's just a perfect fit for Arduino. So yeah, and there's a ton of tutorials out there. You can just Google SSD1306 or Arduino OLED and you'll get tons and tons of projects that you could do. And I left some project that you could like do, the links below in the GitHub. And yeah, I only wanted to share like this display with you, and yeah, nothing else. Happy hacking, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.